graded my assignment yet. I submitted it on Google Classroom. It looks like I still have a missing assignment in Aries. Can you explain why this is? I'm really upset. We get these kinds of emails all the time. Everything's crammed into the subject of the email. There's no body, there's no intro, there's no conclusion. But fear not, students. With some simple steps, you too can construct a good email for your teachers. At the end of this lesson, you will be able to create an email with a subject. You will also be able to write a complete email with a greeting, a body, and a closing. At some point this school year, you're going to need to ask your teacher for help or need to get in contact with them. This is why it's really important for you guys to know how to create an email. Now, I have on my screen an example of an email in my address book. I already have a signature I've set up, so we're going to ignore that for now, and I'm going to make sure this is completely blank. So the first thing you need to do is figure out who you're going to email. I'm going to email Mr. Torres. I don't know his first name, so I'm going to write Torres, and sure enough, he pops up. Now, your subject line is what you're going to put in just briefly to let your teacher know why you're contacting them. So let's say I want to check in on a missing assignment. Our teachers assign a lot of assignments, so I'm going to say missing constitution assignment. So now he knows exactly which assignment I'm talking about. I'm going to go on here and start emailing him. The first thing I need to do is have a greeting. You could say something like salutations, but the easiest thing you could do is probably write dear. So I'm going to start by saying dear Mr. not Miss, he probably would appreciate that, Mr. Torres, comma, always end with a comma, and then hit enter twice so we can start a new paragraph. Hit tab once. Kidding, don't hit tab because it's going to send it. Don't hit tab, just keep typing. I was wondering if you knew if you have received my missing assignment. I would appreciate if you could look at it when you have time. Hit enter because I have nothing else I want to write. You can also look and see if you have anything come up like my red. Appreciate it if. I'll take the correction. Now what I need is a way to start closing this out. So I'm going to say thank you for your time. And then you can add something like from or sincerely. I like to end things with best, comma, Miss Rosas. Or you would just add your name. And then when you know you've addressed your problem, go ahead and hit send, and you're done.